All right, so you have officially been in chemistry for 3 weeks, and I haven't shown you any awesome chemical reaction demos yet, so I can't believe I've let that happen. And I'm going to use today as an opportunity to right that wrong. So far, we've done all of this work on the particle level. You've looked at protons, neutrons, and electrons. You've looked at whether something is an element or a compound or atom, molecule, or giant. And the next step in our exploration of particles is to how they move and how they're arranged. Both of those things depend on whether it's a solid, a liquid, or a gas. So I'm going to show you a chemical reaction that's quite an engaging one that involves all three of those states of matter. First one is my reactant. It's hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a liquid at room temperature. Put a little bit in that flask. And you can see it's a colorless liquid. It looks just like water. I'm going to add to that hydrogen peroxide a catalyst called manganese dioxide, which is a solid at room temperature. And it's a black solid. Looks just like that. You can see what we generate. There we go, just in time for Halloween. Nice spooky smoke generator for you. You can't tell this in the video, but this is getting very hot, almost too hot to touch. And you can actually see the plumes of smoke and all carrying out oxygen gas, which is the product of this reaction. And it's pretty clear to see that the solid, liquid, and gas behave in different ways. Chemists are interested in reactions because they're cool to look at, but also because they make useful products for us. And if we want to study them, predict what's going to happen, and truly understand how they work, we need to be able to describe what the particles look like when they're reacting, which is what we're going to look at in the next activity.